Hi everyone, in the front of me I've got a Redmi 12 and let me share with you how to change this navigation type with the buttons to the gestures. So first of all we have to enter the settings and then let's scroll down to find home screen. Now let's tap on the system navigation, and as you can see we've got two different options from which we can choose. So of course currently we've got the buttons, and just a quick disclaimer, if you'd like to leave this option turned on, you can customize it here. So you can mirror the buttons, you can reorder the back button and the recents, you can set some button shortcuts and disable navigation buttons, up to you. Alright, in order to set the gestures we have to tap on this animation. You can go through the tutorial just by tapping on learn. I don't want to do it because I already know. What is more, I'll explain it to you how to use the gestures. As you can see immediately, instead of the three buttons we've got this line right here, it is visible, which will allow us to perform some gestures. But to be honest, I prefer it to be hidden, so we can do it just by marking this first option, so hide full screen indicator. Up to you again. And here we've got the gesture confirmation, which simply means that sometimes, for example, when you're watching a video or playing a game and want to get back, your device will ask you to double the gesture to be sure that you really want to go back. Up to you if you want to use it or not. Alright, so a quick tutorial of how to use the gestures. If you want to get back to the previous page, just swipe your finger from the side to the center of your device. It does not really matter from which side you will do it, so from the right or the left side. Just do it. And if you can see this arrow, simply release the finger, and as you can see we just got back, and the same situation from the left side. If you'd like to get back directly to the home page, then all you have to do is to swipe your finger from the bottom to the center of your device and do it quite fastly. I would say it should be a quick and a short motion, maybe not like that, but just like that. And as you can see we've got the home page almost, and in order to open the recents we have to repeat the gesture, so from the bottom to the center, but this time hold your finger somewhere here, so a longer motion, and after releasing we've got the recents. Alright, so that'll be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.